Welcome to the ultimate guide on choosing the perfect ice cream maker for your home. Whether you're a seasoned ice cream enthusiast or just starting your journey into homemade frozen treats, we've got you covered. Today, we'll explore some of the top ice cream makers on the market, highlighting their unique features, capacities, and functionalities. Get ready to churn out some deliciousness. First up is the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 ice cream maker. This stylish brushed stainless steel machine is not only visually appealing but also incredibly efficient. The Cuisinart can make frozen desserts or drinks in as little as 20 minutes thanks to its heavy-duty motor. It comes with a large ingredient spout for adding your favorite mix-ins and has retractable cord storage to keep your countertops clutter-free. Plus, it includes a replacement lid, a double insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts, a paddle, instructions, and a recipe book. Perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to enjoy homemade ice cream. Next, we have the Cuisinart ICE-21P1 is a compact 1.5 quart ice cream maker that churns out frozen treats in 20 minutes or less, thanks to its innovative mixing paddle. Its double insulated freezer bowl eliminates the need for ice, while the easy lock transparent lid makes adding ingredients mess-free. Perfect for ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt, it's BPA-free and backed by a 3-year warranty. Moving on, we have the Ninja NC299AMZ CREAMi ice cream maker, perfect for those who love versatility. The Ninja CREAMi allows you to transform everyday ingredients into ice cream, gelato, smoothie bowls, milkshakes, and more. It offers 7 one-touch programs and features a creamerizer paddle that finely shaves and churns ice particles into creamy frozen treats. It's also easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts and is perfect for families looking to make a variety of frozen desserts. Next, let's look at the Hamilton Beach Electric Automatic Ice Cream Maker, a fantastic option for families. This machine has a 4-quart capacity, making it ideal for large gatherings. It's fully automatic, requiring no hand churning, and can make a variety of frozen treats, including ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, gelato, sherbet, and custard. Simply pour your mixture into the canister, add ice and rock salt, and let the machine do the rest. It's that easy. Next, we have the Whynter ICM200LS, a robust and reliable ice cream maker. This machine has a 2.1 quart capacity and a powerful built-in compressor, allowing for continuous use without pre-freezing the bowl. It features an extended cooling function, motor protection, and a sleek stainless steel exterior. The LCD digital display and timer make it user-friendly and sophisticated, perfect for those who want professional quality ice cream at home. For a touch of tradition, check out the Elite Gourmet Old-Fashioned Ice Cream Maker. This machine offers a 6-quart capacity and can be used with either its automatic motor or manual hand crank. It's perfect for parties, picnics, and big events, providing a fun and nostalgic ice cream making experience. Plus, it's easy to clean and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Lastly, Cuisinart ICE100 is a fully automatic 1.5 quart ice cream and gelato maker with a commercial-grade compressor, eliminating the need for pre-freezing. It features a 60-minute timer, touchpad controls, and a blue LCD display. With 2 paddles, one for gelato, one for ice cream, and a 10-minute keep cool feature, it ensures perfect texture and convenience. BPA-free with a 3-year warranty, it's ideal for versatile frozen creations. There you have it. Incredible ice cream makers, each with unique features to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy solution, a smart appliance, or a nostalgic experience, there's an ice cream maker here for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy ice cream making! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious content.